Hey guys, it's back to school season. As a parent, there are 4 things I want you to look out for your child's health. Number 1, check for head lice. Yes, they're pesky. However, we do have OTC products that will definitely get rid of your head lice. Number 2, actively check your child's eye health for their poor vision with all the phone, computers, games, TV. Unfortunately, we are very concerned for your child's eye safety. So make sure that you check those out. Number 3, bullying. Only 17% of children will actually seek out help when they're getting bullied. You want to make sure that you communicate with them as much as possible to look for possible clues. Lastly, number 4, scoliosis. Scoliosis is that sideways curvature of the spine that happens fairly frequently between age of 10 and 15. Also, it can be very painful for their kids, but unfortunately, only way to really catch that is early diagnosis. So make sure that you check with your doctor and make sure that they're screening for your child's scoliosis. So how do we prepare for our children to be healthy during their school year? Let's try to keep this simple, guys. Make sure that they're being fed well nutritious meal with healthy snacks. And of course, make sure they're getting plenty of exercises instead of being stuck on their phone. And lastly, we want to make sure that they're getting plenty of sleep. Depending on how old your child is, you want to make sure that they're getting from 8 to 11 hours of sleep. And the most important thing is for you and your children to be vaccinated this season. You and your children are welcome for just walk-in flu shot anytime. If you have any other questions, let us know. Thank you.